You've nailed the shoot. You've built a color grade that you love, and now you're wondering, can I actually see this look on my Nikon while I'm filming? In this video, I'll walk you through how to turn your color grade into a custom monitoring LUT so that what you see on set is a lot closer to your finished image. One important thing before we get started. This workflow does require an external monitor that supports third-party LUTs. Right now, the Nikon ZR is the only body that can load 3D LUTs natively, and that's limited to monitoring our 3D footage. If that's your setup, I've got a full walkthrough of that process linked in the description. But for every other Nikon camera without using an external monitor, you'll want to stick with the built-in view assist. This method is for when you have the gear and you want that extra level of control. A bit of background. In my earlier video, the NLog exposure mistake every Nikon shooter makes, I break down why NLog looks its best when slightly overexposed. Because of that, I like to build monitoring LUTs that compensate for exposing to the right. I make them in half-stop increments so I can quickly cycle through on set and pick whichever one looks right for the scene. For this walkthrough, I'm creating a LUT that compensates for one full stop of overexposure. If you want to skip this process and just grab these LUTs, they're free, the link's in the description. I've already dialed in that exposure adjustment, so let's export it. Go to the Color tab and find the clip you're basing your LUT on. Right-click on that clip and select Generate LUT. Choose 65-point cube, and then save it somewhere you can easily find it, and make sure that you name it clearly. You want to know exactly what that LUT is for. From there, transfer the LUT to your external monitor. The exact steps are going to depend on the device you're using, whether it's an Atomos, a small HD, or something else. So check the manufacturer's website for the specific loading instructions. And that's all there is to it. You've now got your own custom NLog monitoring LUT loaded and ready to go. That means you can shoot with your final look right in front of you, or if you're like me, using a LUT to offset an intentional overexposure, you'll have a much more accurate preview of how that footage will look once you bring it back down in post. If this was helpful and you want to keep sharpening your Nikon workflow, hit subscribe. I've got more videos on the way, and they're all focused on getting better results without overcomplicating things. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you being here, and I will see you in the next one.